Okay, class, let's go ahead and look at our grammar notes. This is page 191, page 191, lesson 7, part 2. Let's look at 怎么. 怎么, how come, is an interrogative pronoun. It is often used to ask about the manner of an action, as in example 1 here, and sometimes the reason or the cause of an action, as in example 2 and 3. So please read along. 请你教我怎么写懂这个字. Please teach me how to write the character 懂. 你怎么才来? How come you've just arrived? 你怎么没去看电影? Why didn't you go to the movie? Both 怎么 how come and 为什么 why are used to ask about the cause of or reason for something. However, 怎么 how come conveys the speaker's bewilderment or surprise, whereas 为什么 why does not. Many times in class you hear me say 为什么 why didn't you do this? 为什么 why did you do that? But when you see 怎么, that's when you know that the speaker is bewildered or very surprised. Okay, now let's look at 的. Here it says we have a 的 structure when an adjective is followed by the structural particle 的. Grammatically, a 的 structure is equivalent to a noun. When Bai Ying Ai, earlier in the dialogue, she says, 他是一个男的，很帅，很酷，叫王鹏. We know that Bai Ying Ai is talking about a male. So let's look at this example here below. 我写了10个字，5个难的，5个容易的. I wrote 10 characters, 5 difficult ones and 5 easy ones. So we understand that these characters, 难的 are difficult, or 容易的 they are easy. You guys have also learned that 的 is possessive. You can say 我的 mine, or 你的 yours. 我的手 my hand, 你的手 your hand. So this is just another way you can use 的. So let's look on the next page, 192, page 192. The use of nouns and pronouns in continuous discourse. Okay, so let's see what that means. If a noun serves as the unchanged subject in a continuous discourse, its later appearances in the ensuing clauses or sentences generally should be substituted by an appropriate pronoun or simply omitted. The pronoun, in turn, can also be omitted after its first appearance. Okay, so that's a lot of words, so let's see if we can get this. Let's look down here. It says, 小白很喜欢学中文，小白晚上预习中文，小白复习语法，小白练习写汉字，小白常常很晚才睡觉. You have 小白, 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 小白 so many times. So you don't want to do that. You want to follow this example. Number 1. 小白很喜欢学中文. Here in parentheses you have 他, she. 晚上预习课文，复习语法，练习写汉字，常常很晚才睡觉. So meaning little Bai likes to study Chinese very much. At night, she previews the text, reviews the grammar, and practices writing the characters. Often she doesn't go to bed until very late. So they change it up there. Okay, so now let's look at 才 and 就. You choose 才 or 就 to indicate whether something takes place later or sooner than expected. So here it says, 妈妈平常晚上6点回家，昨天晚上6点半才回家. So typically, mother would get home at 6 p.m. But last night, she didn't return until 6:30. So 才 is for until, which is late. And then 就, we're going to see an example for 就 right here. 高文中平常7点3刻吃早饭，今天早上7点半就吃早饭了. So 高文中 usually eats breakfast at 7:45. This morning, he ate breakfast at 7:30. So 就 meaning early. So let's remember. 才 is later, 就 is as early as. 才 as late as, 就 as early as.